Hi guys, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make these hairstyles for oily hair. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become part of this charming family. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. You can follow me on Instagram also. My Instagram handle is here on the screen. And you can follow my Facebook page also. So let's get started with the video. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. That's all for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to press the like button and meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.